We got Eric here. He wants to run without knee pain, but he's had so many surgeries, he's lost track, and that's all he can bend, his knee. Let's see what we can do for him. Good. Drop that right arm. Solid. That was easy. Drop that shoulder. Perfect. Because his knee is so stiff, we have to maximize his hip range of motion. So this is a great way to maximize your hip range of motion by doing airplanes. Just really make sure you stretch, and then as you open up, don't let that bottom knee move. Give it a try.